When working in flexible modeling, you can find the Move tools within the Transform ribbon group. There are three types of Move tools available: Move using Dragger, Move by Dimension, and Move using Constraints. With Move using Dragger, geometry can be manipulated by using the default 3D Dragger position and freely moved within a plane, along the arrows, or rotated along the circles. The selected geometry can also be manipulated by repositioning the dragger on a selected reference, like an edge or plane. When repositioning along an edge or plane, dimensions are created. When using the Move by Dimension tool, geometry can be positioned by defining dimensional references between the existing geometry and the selected surfaces. Make sure to hold the Control key down when selecting the references. By default, the Move tool will move the selected surfaces to their new position. However, if you need to make a copy, just select the Keep Original option in the Move dashboard, and a copy of the original surfaces will be maintained. With the Move using Constraints tool, geometry is positioned using assembly-like placement constraints. For this example, we'll turn on the datum plane display. We'll align the front surface with the front datum plane and add a tangent constraint between the cylindrical surface and the right datum plane. As a third constraint, we'll add an offset dimension between the top plane of the plate and the boss. When you need to move or copy features while working in flexible modeling, the Move tools make it easy to define the new position by offering a variety of ways to get the task done.